Actress SITARA Devi, 1940s. She was not only an actress but an eminent classical Kathak dancer and singer. She received n number of awards including Padma Shri, Kalidas Samman, Sangeet Nadak Academy Award. She was also teaching Kathak dance for many Bollywood celebrities including Madhubala, Rekha and Kajol. Curvy eyebrows, bright red lipstick, vibrant pink blush were 1940s North India style. Carnatic singer and an actress, MS.SUBBULAKSHMI. She was the first ever musician to receive Bharat Ratna Award, which is said to be the India's highest civilian award. Her debut movie as an actress was Seva Sadanam in 1938. She was one of the leading Carnatic vocalists. Side curls, wider agalputtu, double-sided 5-stone nosepins, winged kajal were MS Subbulakshmi's iconic style. Only after 1940s, South Indian women slowly explored in eyebrow shaping. Till then, the eyebrows were kept all natural and unshaped.